Children, let us continue the model question paper. First, the 17th question. Find the 25th term of an arithmetic progression 2, 6, 10, 14, so on. Here this is a 2 marks question and 8 questions are there. This is the first question. And what you have to find out? We have to find the 25th term of the given AP 2, 6, 10, 14. Now let us write the solution here. Now you write that AP. The given AP is 2, 6, 10, 14, so on. Now you find the first term, common difference. What is the first term? This is the first term, A1. So you write A equals 2. And D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is 6. A1 is 2. So you write 6 minus 2. A2 minus A1. 6 minus 2 equals 4. And what we have to find out? We have to find the 25th term. So you write AN equals A25 equals question mark. Here n equals how much? N equals 25. Now you write the formula for AN. What is the formula for AN? AN equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN means what you have to find out? A25. In the place of AN you write A25 equals, then in the place of A, what is the value of A? Value of A is 2. So in the place of A you write 2 and plus, in the place of N we have to write 25 because AN is A25 here. So N equals 25. N equals 25. 25 minus 1. Then what is the value of D? The value of D is 4. In the place of D you write 4. Then A25 equals 2 plus 25 minus 1. 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 into 4. So 25 minus 1 is 24 into 4. Then A25 equals 2, you write 2 only, plus 24 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 96. Then you got A25 equals 92 plus 96 plus 2 is 98. A25 equals 98. So the 25th term is 98. Therefore you write 25th term is 98. Next, let us take the next question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, so on using the formula. So you write here what is the given AP here. Solution you take. Here there are 2 questions. Here you take any one question and solve. The first question let us solve here. The given AP is 3, 8, 13, so on. 3, 8, 13, so on. And what you have to find out here? We have to find the sum of first 20 terms. And you write the first term A equals 3. This is the first term. And D equals second term minus first term. That is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 8 minus 3. That equals 5. Then what you have to find out here? Here we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. Means S we have to find out. N equals how much? N equals 20. So S equals question mark. Then you write the formula for S. Here A, D, N are known. So you write the formula S equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula when A, D and N are given. So what is the formula to find the sum of N terms of AP when A, D and N are given? This is the formula. S equals N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Then you substitute the values. S equals, what is the value of N? In the place of N you write 20. N by 2 means 20 by 2. 20 by 2 into 2 into A. 2A means 2 into A. Into A means 2 into 3. 2 into A means 2 into 3. In the place of A you write 3. Plus N. In the place of N you write 20 because N equals 20. Minus 1. And what is the value of D? D is 8 minus 3. We got 5. You write. Then S equals, you can cancel 20 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 tens are. Then you write 10 here. And you can multiply this 2 and 3. 2 threes are 6. Plus 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. You can write the product here. 19 fives are. And what is 19 fives are? 19 fives are 95. How you got 95 here? 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 5. 19 fives are 95. Then S equals 10 into. What is the sum of 95 and 6? 95 and 6 is 101. So then S equals. So find the product of 101 and 10. 101 into 10. So you can write 10 ones are 10. 1 you carry and 10 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is 1 and 10 ones are 10. The product of 101 into 10 is 1010. Then the sum of the first 20 terms of the given arithmetic progression is how much? That is 1010. Yes, you got 1010. Next there is OR question. Find the sum of the first 30 positive integers divisible by 6. You can solve any one of the question which is easy for you. Now here I am solving both the question. You try which is easy for you. And now let us take the second question. Find the sum of the first 30 positive integers divisible by 6. So you take OR question. What is that? Find the sum of the first 30 multiples of 6. Positive integers divisible by 6 means here the AP becomes, the first number is 6 which is divisible by 6. Next 12. Next 18. You write the sixth table and how many terms here? It is said that the first 30 positive integers means n equals how much here? That is 2. 30 terms. How many terms here? 30 terms. You have to find the sum of 30. Write the value of A, D and N. A is 6. That is the first term. A equals 6. D equals A2 minus A1. A2 is 12 and A1 is 6. So it becomes 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then N equals 30. N equals 30 and S equals question mark. So you write the formula for S. S equals what? N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Then S equals N by 2. N is 30. So N by 2 is 30 by 2. Right? 30 by 2 into 2. 2a means 2 into a, that is 2 into the value of a is 6. So in the place of a you write 6. Then you write plus, and n is 30. 30 minus 1, d value is 6. d is 6. In the place of d you write 6. Then that equals, you write 2 ones are 2 15s are, it is 15. Then the product of 2 and 6, 2 6 are 12, plus 20 minus 30 minus 1 is 29. 30 minus 1 is 29. That is 29 into 6. You know that 9 6 are 54, and 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5 17. Therefore 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 into 6 is 174. 174. Then you will get 15 into 174 plus 12, you will get 196. That is into 196. Then you write 174 plus 12, that is 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1. So it becomes 186. Then 186 into 15. Find the product of 186 and 15. 186 into 15. You will get 15 6 are 90, and 15 8 are 120, plus 9 is 129. So 12 carry, and 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12 is 27. So you got SC equals 2790. That is the sum of first 30 multiples of first 30 positive integers which are divisible by 6. Therefore, sum of first 30 positive integers divisible by 6 is 2790. 2790 you got. Now the 19th question. Solve 3x plus y equals 15, 2x minus y equals 5. Now here there are different methods to solve this pair of linear equation in two variables. And this year we learnt only one method, that is by elimination method you can solve this. And in elimination method, in the first step we have to cancel any one of the variable and find here which one variable you can cancel easily, that you have to verify. And you know that to cancel the variable, the coefficient of the variable must be same. Here observe the coefficient of y in the first equation and the coefficient of the y in the second equation. Both of them are having the coefficient 1, that is 1 plus 1 and minus 1. Then you can cancel y easily. So here these are having different sign. So to cancel this y, you must add the first equation and second equation. So you write the solution here. Now you take that both the equation, 3x plus y equals 15, and second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 5. So you write this is the first equation, this is the second equation. And to cancel this, here the variables are having different sign. To cancel the different sign, you must add the first equation and second equation. So you take what you can write here, by adding first and second equations. So you write first equation is 3x plus y. LHS must be added here. 3x plus y plus 2x minus y plus 2x minus y equals 15 plus 5. Here you must add these two equations. LHS must be added to LHS and RHS must be added to RHS. So this plus this equals this plus this. So we have taken here 3x plus y, this one, and 2x minus y, this one, and 15 plus 5. Here RHS are 15 plus 5. Then here if there is minus means the sign changes after opening the brackets, but here as it is plus, there is no any change in the sign. You write it as it is. 2x minus y equals 15 plus 5 is 20. Then you know that this plus y and minus y cancels. Add these two. What is the sum of 3x and 2x? That is 5x equals 20. Now you got a linear equation in one variable and solve this. Then x equals what? 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 fours are. So you got x equals 4. X equals 4. Then to get the value of the other variable y, we have to substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. You take any one of the equation, substitute the values of value of x and get the value of y here. Then you write by substituting x equals 4 in equation. Which equation you are going to take? You take any one of the equation. Let us take the first equation. 3x plus y equals 15. The equation 3x plus y equals 15. Then here you got the value of x, substitute here, that is 3 into x value is how much? That is 4. 4 you write, in the place of x you write 4 plus y equals 15. Then you multiply 3 and 4. What is the product of 3 and 4? That is 12 plus y equals 15. Then y equals 15 minus 12. Then what is 15 minus 12? Y is equals to 15 minus 12 is 3. So you got, therefore you write x equals 4 and y equals 3 is the solution. X equals 4 and y equals 3 is the solution. You can verify it here. X equals 4, 3 4s are 12 and y is 3, 12 plus 3 5, or 2 into 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So the value got are here are the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Now the 20th question. Solve by using quadratic formula. The given quadratic equation is x square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So you write the solution here. What is the given quadratic equation? X square minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. Now here what you have to do? We have to solve this quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. And what is the quadratic formula? You know that it is x equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So first to verify whether this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 or not. Here the equation must be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And find the value of a, b and c. Then a is the coefficient of the x square. and b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant. Find the value of a, b and c. Then what is the value of a? The value of a is 1 here. X square means 1x square. So it is a equals 1. Then b equals, that is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is minus 3. You write it minus 3. Then what is c? C is the constant. This is c. That is plus 1. With sign you have to write. So it is plus 1. Now you write the formula. What is the formula here? X equals, right, in the numerator minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equals minus b plus or minus whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the value of a, b and c in this quadratic formula. It is a quadratic formula. Formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is this one. Now you write minus you write minus, and the value of b is minus 3. In the place of b you write minus 3. You must put the bracket as this b is having minus sign. Then you write plus or minus whole root. Then b value is minus 3 whole square. B square is minus 3 whole square, and you write 4 as it is. First you write minus, then 4 you write as it is 4, and write the value of a. What is the value of a? That is 1. And into, or you can put into mark also, into 1 into, what is the value of c? C is 1. In the place of c you write 1. 4ac means 4 into a into c, that is 4 into 1 into 1. Then 2a means 2 into 1, because the value of a is 1. Now you write x equals, then minus into minus is plus 3. It is minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Then you write plus or minus 3. Plus or minus here. Plus or minus. Then you write whole root. And minus 3 whole square. 3 square is 9. And minus 3 whole square is also 9. You write 9. Then minus 4 into 1 into 1 is 4 into 1 into 1 is 4. Then 2 into 1. You write 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Write it in short here. Now x equals 3. You write 3 only. 3 plus or minus root 9 minus 5. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Then by 2. So you got the answer. X equals 3 plus or minus whole root 5 here. That you can write the two roots are x equals, one root is 3 plus root 5 by 2, or x equals 3 minus root 5 by 2, because here plus or minus is there. So you got x equals 3 plus root 5 by 2, or x equals 3 minus root 5 by 2. In this way you solve the given quadratic equation x square minus 3x plus 1 by using quadratic formula. Now the question number 21. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0, and hence write the nature of roots. Now you take the solution. What is that given equation? Given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equals 0. And find the discriminant. The discriminant of the quadratic equation is b square minus 4ac. So you need the value of a, b and c. So you write a equals the coefficient of x square, that is 2. A is 2. and b is the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? That is minus 6. Minus 6. C the constant, that is plus 3. 3 you write. Then take b square minus 4ac and you write here, consider b square minus 4ac. B is minus 6. In the place of b you write minus 6 whole square and minus you write minus and 4 you write 4. In the place of a write 2. It is 2 and into c. C is 3. Then it becomes minus 6 whole square is 36. Minus 6 whole square is 36. Then minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24. You know that 36 minus 24 is how much? That is 12. 12 you got, and this 12 is greater than 0. As b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Here 12 is greater than 0 is means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So you write that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, as b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means the roots are real and distinct. Here the nature of the roots depends upon the value of the discriminant part b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0, then the roots are not reals. The real root will not exist there. So they are the imaginary roots. So here what you have to write? Roots are, therefore roots are real and distinct, or distinct and real. Now here one more question, that is OR question. You can solve any one of the question, not both. But here I will solve both. You take this equation, what you have to show here, prove that this quadratic equation has distinct and real roots. Means again you have to show that b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So consider this equation, x square plus ax minus 4 equals 0. So you write, take this quadratic equation, x square plus ax minus 4 equals 0. X square plus ax minus 4 equals 0. Now you write here a value is 1 because the coefficient of x square is 1. B value is a and c value is minus 4. This is c value. And the a value is, b value is plus a and a value is 1 here. The coefficient of x square is 1. So you can take a equals 1. Now you write the discriminant part, that is b square minus 4ac. Then b is a, write a square minus 4 and a is 1 and c is minus 4. Minus 4. Then you write a square and minus into minus is there. So it becomes plus and 4 ones are 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 1 into 4 is 16, but here minus into minus is there, so it is plus 16. And here you know that a square must be positive. Square of a number is always positive and 16 is positive here. Plus 16 means it must be greater than 0 because a square is positive. That is greater than 0 because you know that a may be, if a equals negative number, it may be minus a whole square is a square, and even though a is positive or negative, a square must be positive only. So as it is, a square is positive and plus 16 is there. So sum of the positive and positive is always positive. Therefore it is greater than 0. Therefore you got, therefore what? B square minus 4AC is greater than 0. So here this equation is having distinct and real roots. Therefore roots of x square plus ax minus 4 equals 0 are distinct and real. Now you take the 22nd question. Find the distance between the coordinate of the points A 2, 3, B 10 minus 3. You take the solution here. Solution. The points are A 2, 3 and B 10 minus 3. Let us consider these 2, 3 are x1, y1. 10 minus 3 are x2, y2. By using the distance formula, we will get the distance between the point A and B. Now, what is the distance formula? That is, here the A and B are the points. So, the distance is AB. That equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. After writing the distance formula, in the place of x2 you write 10. In the place of x1 you write 2. In the place of y2 you write minus 3. In the place of y1 write 3. So let us write here AB equals whole root x2 is 10. 10 minus x1 is 2. So x2 minus x1 means 10 minus 2 whole square plus then y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3 whole square. Then write AB equals square root of 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus minus 3 whole square is minus 6 whole square is nothing but 6 square you can write. Because or otherwise you can write minus 6 whole square. Then you write AB equals square root of 8 square is 64 and square of minus 6 is 36. 6 square is same as minus 6 whole square. Then what is the sum of 64 and 36? 64 and 36 sum, that you know. 6 plus 4 10 and 6 minus 4 10, you will get 100. Then you write AB equals square root of 100. Then AB equals, what is the square root of 100? That is 10 units. Then the distance between the points A and B is 10 units. Therefore, distance between A and B is 10 units. Now let us come to the question number 23. That is 23rd question. Draw a line segment of AB equals 8 centimeter and divide it in the ratio 3:2 by geometrical construction. Here what you have to do? We have to draw the line AB of 8 centimeter. Then we have to divide it in the ratio 3:2. And here the sum of the ratio is 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now let us observe the construction made by a student. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now in the first step, draw the line AB equals 8 centimeter. Draw the line segment of AB of length 8 centimeter. Observe, she is drawing a line AB by measuring 8 centimeter. It is a line of length 8 centimeter. Name it as AB. Now at a point A with an acute angle, draw a line like this way. Now 3 plus 2 equals 5 and make 5 equal parts with the help of the compass. Mark 5 equal parts here like this way. Here try to have the 5 equal parts on this line, second line what you have drawn here. This is the third part and this is the fourth part. And next fifth part. This is the fifth part. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 equal parts you made here. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Join A5 and B. Join A5 and B. You got a line BA5. To this line we have to draw the parallel line at a point E3 because the ratio is 3:5. So to get that parallel line with A5 as a center, draw the curve to intersect A5 line and A5 line. See the curve what I have drawn here. With A5 as a center, draw the curve and see that is the curve here. With A5 as center, this curve must meet AA5 and BA5 at points and with A3 as a center because the ratio is 3:2. With A3 as a center, with A3 as a center, draw the curve and again you find the distance here. See the distance between both the line and by keeping the compass on the line at which the previous curve meet, cut the previous curve like this way. Don't change the radius. The radius which the distance what you have taken at A5 is considered here. See here. You got a point of intersection of both the curve, previous curve and this curve, and join that point to A3 and produce to meet the line AB. So the line drawn from A3 and A5 are parallel to each other. This is the point C. And now you measure AC and BC. AC is here. AC is 4.7 and measure BC. BC is 3.3. BC is 3.3. So we got 4.7 centimeter and 3.3 centimeter. And here you know that AB is 8 centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter. And AC plus BC. AC plus BC. AC plus CB must be equals to AB. What is AC? AC is 4.7 centimeter. BC is 3.3. AC is 4.7 centimeter. And BC is 3.3 centimeter. That sum is 8 centimeter. 4.7 plus 3.3 is equals to 8 centimeter. Now the 24th question. What is that question? In the figure given below, find the value of sin theta and cos alpha. Find the value of sin theta and cos alpha. Right angle triangle is given and the measurement of all the sides are given. Here the hypotenuse is of length 13 centimeter and the other two sides are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now theta is one angle, this is theta and this is alpha, both of them are acute angles. Now let us take this ratio sin theta, and you know that sin ratio is opposite side by hypotenuse. So directly you can write sin theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Then side opposite to the angle theta, that is angle P, is QR. So you write QR and hypotenuse is PR. Then what is the measurement of the QR? QR is 5 centimeter by PR is 13 centimeter. So the ratio is 5 by 13. You got that sin theta equals 5 by 13. 5 by 13. Next, second one is cos alpha. This is the angle alpha and the cos ratio is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to the angle alpha is QR. So first you write adjacent side by hypotenuse that equals adjacent side to the angle alpha is this side, that is QR, by hypotenuse is same, that is PR. QR is 5 centimeter by PR is 13 centimeter. Then again you will get the ratio same, that is 5 by 13. Sin theta also you got 5 by 13. Cos alpha also you got 5 by 13.